Hi guys, today in this short video clip I am going to explain the procedure to size the bank of batteries in an inverter. That's the most difficult calculation when you size an inverter. According with the capacity of the AC panel, according with the amount of power that you need in the output of the inverter AC power, you need to calculate how many batteries and what type of batteries and the capacity of the batteries in the battery bank. My formula is a simple formula. The power at the input should be the same power in the output. Of course, it's not the same power in the output because you have a dissipation of heat and other type of electrical and electronic dissipation of power. For that reason, the power that you have in the input, in the DC side, is practically 80–90% of the AC power that you have in the output of the inverter. With that formula, ideally, power in is supposed that is equal to power out. The power in the input, the formula for power is voltage times intensity. The power in the input plus 20% should be equal to the output power in the AC. This is the technique. Yesterday in the laboratory, in my class of advanced electricity, I explained that procedure. I am going to check with you the video of the class in the laboratory yesterday. You found that information in my book of marine electricity in the chapter 15, or in the videos related for inverters, how to size an inverter. Visit my website www.mrlopezclases.com and check if you are interested on those videos, or if you have questions, write to me at info@mrlopezclases.com. If you enjoy this video, make a click. Thank you for your support. Okay, this is the video that I did yesterday in the laboratory. Okay, this is the idea. Suppose that I have an inverter that the output is 6,000 watts. This is equal to 6 kilowatts. No? Good? Okay. This inverter in the output is double phase. 240. Correct? What is this? This is voltage, this is amp. What is this?
Power.
This is power, no? The power is 6,000 watts. What is the formula for power?
Equals voltage
times
Power is equal voltage times intensity. Right? Okay. If I have a 6,000 and the voltage is 240, how much is the intensity, secretary? 25 amps, no? All right. This is the consumption. This is the power in the output. The power, you remember that definition in the school some years ago that the professor said, the power can be converted, but never created. Because the only guy with the ability to create power is that guy. No? You can convert kinetic energy into potential energy. You can convert thermal energy into electrical energy. No, you can convert, but not create. Because create energy only, no? That guy is power. Okay. In other words, if I have 6,000 watts here, in order to produce 6,000 in the output, how much power I need in the input?
6,000.
Minimum 6,000. But I have a question. If I have 6,000 watts here, can I have exactly 6,000 in the output?
No.
Why not?
Voltage change.
Because some power is dissipated in heat, some power is dissipated. Probably in the output I have 25% less, depending of the design.
Oh.
But you don't have exactly the same in the output. Okay. In that case, I need in the input 6,000 plus 20%. No? In order to produce 6,000 in the output. Yes or not? Okay, how much is 6,000 times 1.2? 6,000 times 1.2. All right, is what? No, my friends? Great? Okay. I want to calculate how many amps I need in my battery bank. Okay, I am going to do the same exercise here in the DC side. Okay, I have 72,000 watts equal to 24 volts because I am going to configure the batteries in 24 times the intensity. How much is 7,200 divided by 240? Secretary?
300.
Is 300? 300
Yes.
amps. Okay, pay attention. If I have a battery bank configured in 24 volts, okay, look at this. If I have a battery bank with a capacity of 300 amps, this plus this plus this plus this is 300 amps, I can produce here 7,200 watts for 1 hour. Okay. Oh no, Mr. Lopez, I need 7,200 for 2 hours. Okay. You need
Double.
600. Yes or no?
Yes.
No, Mr. Lopez, I want my wife 3 hours. Okay, papi. 300, 300, 300. Ready? No, my kids, they say 4 hours. Okay, 300, 300, 300, 300, 4 times. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, talk with your family.
You understand that?
Okay, but the equation is this. Okay, I need 300 amps. We are going to do the exercise. Simple. Suppose that I have batteries like this. The capacity of each battery is 100 amps. The typical battery, 100 amps. Okay. In my boat, I have a lot of those batteries. And I want create a battery bank with 900 amps of capacity. 900 amps of capacity with those batteries. How many batteries I need?
9.
In 24 volts, 900 amps. Each battery, the battery bank, I have batteries. Each battery is 12 volts, 100 amps. I need 24 volts, 800 amps. The capacity of the battery bank. How should be connected the batteries in order to produce 24 800? I want to see your picture. Quickly!
Okay.
16 batteries. Or if you wanted, you can buy this type of batteries. Each battery is 12 volts, 800 amps.
How much do they weigh? What? You can't lift it. Oh my goodness.
Lithium.
It's 160 pounds.
Or lithium. Or lithium.
That's 160 each. That's
Okay,
each.
only to refresh the procedure. What is the secret to calculate the capacity of my battery bank? The secret, step number 1. How much power I need in the output? Yes? In the output AC. According with that power, I added 20% more, and this is the power that I need in the input. Ready? After that, I divided by the voltage in the input, 24 volts. And this is the amps that I need per hour. And after that, you need more hours, you added that capacity more and more. That's the secret.
Oh wow.